Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, park level, handbrake on, chock the rear wheels. This prevents movement. Loosen the wheel nuts 1/2 turn before lifting so you don't spin the wheel in the air. Jack under the factory lift point and support with a stand. Safety first. Once raised, fully remove the wheel and inspect the top mount, brake hose routing, and sway bar link clearances. Doing this early saves time and prevents surprises, so take a quick, focused look before you touch the shock. You now relieve spring tension by supporting the lower control arm with a small jack. This prevents sudden movement when bolts come loose. Next, unbolt the lower shock eye, use penetrating oil if it's seized, and then access the upper strut or mount nuts in the engine bay or trunk. Keep each nut and washer labeled so reassembly is exact. Once free, pull the shock straight out and lay the old unit beside the new one. Compare mounting points and compressed length to confirm correct replacement and avoid rework. You fit the new shock into place, starting upper mount first to align the shaft, hand thread hardware so nothing cross threads. Tighten bolts to spec once the car is back on its wheels. This prevents preload on bushings. Reinstall the wheel and lower the car, then torque the wheel nuts in a cross pattern. Afterward, go for a short, cautious drive over varied surfaces to settle the suspension and listen for noise. If you hear clunks or feel instability, stop, recheck torque. Mount a line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.